Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add an animated Mac style dock on Windows 11. You can set dock like this on your Windows 11 PC using Aqua Dock. That is a free tool and you can download from this one video description link. Once you download and install this one Aqua Dock, just double click on this one icon and a dock will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can move it to left sidebar, top, right sidebar or bottom of the screen. For this, just right click on the free space on the dock and you can select here top, bottom, left or right. In case you want to set it always on top, just check this one option always on top. To customize it more, just select this one customize option and here you can change the appearance size of the this one dock just like this. Use this slider to increase or decrease the size. You can change this one. From here also you can change this one position. You can change the behavior dock action and several things are available in this software. To add any application to this one dock, just select the application and drag it to dock. Like this it will be docked and after clicking on this one you can access your particular application. In case you don't want to see any application, just drag it from this one dock application and leave it to the desktop. It will be removed from this one dock application and you can customize it more. If you want to add any application to your dock, just select it and drag it to the dock on the free space. Like this you can use Aqua Dock on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.